Struggling with high blood pressure? Discover the best tea that can naturally bring it down. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of hibiscus tea and its remarkable ability to lower blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, affects millions of people worldwide and is a significant risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious health conditions. While medications can help manage blood pressure, many are turning to natural alternatives like hibiscus tea for their potential health benefits. Hi, I am Sunny. Welcome to my channel. I am a nurse and I like to give some health tips. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower. This vibrant red flower has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties. Let's explore the science behind its blood pressure lowering effects. First, hibiscus tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess sodium and water through urine. By reducing fluid volume, it can lower blood pressure levels. Second, hibiscus tea contains antioxidants called flavonoids and polyphenols, which have been shown to improve endothelial function, which means that the blood vessels can relax and dilate more effectively, reducing blood pressure. The tea has a tart, cranberry-like flavor and is rich in antioxidants, which have been shown to have various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and cardioprotective properties. Third, hibiscus tea may inhibit the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, which is involved in regulating blood pressure. ACE inhibitors are commonly prescribed medications for hypertension, and hibiscus tea's natural ACE inhibiting effects may contribute to its blood pressure lowering properties. Now that we understand how hibiscus tea works, let's explore the evidence supporting its use for lowering blood pressure. Numerous studies have investigated the effects of hibiscus tea on blood pressure with promising results. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of Hypertension found that hibiscus tea consumption was associated with significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. One of the largest studies on hibiscus tea and blood pressure involved 65 adults with pre-hypertension or mild hypertension, published in the Journal of Nutrition. The study found that participants who drank hibiscus tea twice a day for 6 weeks experienced a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure compared to those who drank a placebo beverage. Beyond its blood pressure lowering effects, hibiscus tea offers additional benefits for heart health. Studies suggest that its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improving overall cholesterol profiles. It may also help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a crucial step in the development of atherosclerosis. Furthermore, drinking hibiscus tea may support weight loss and weight management efforts. Some research indicates that hibiscus extract can inhibit the production of amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates, potentially reducing the absorption of sugars and starches and promoting weight loss. Additionally, its diuretic properties may help reduce water retention and bloating. But how can you incorporate hibiscus tea into your daily routine to reap its benefits? Brewing hibiscus tea is simple. Start by bringing water to a boil, then add dried hibiscus petals to a teapot or cup. I put the link of organic dried hibiscus petals I use in the description below if you are interested. Then allow the tea to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can drink it hot or cold, sweetened or unsweetened, depending on your preference. You can also get creative with your hibiscus tea by incorporating it into other recipes. Try adding it to smoothies, iced teas, or even salad dressings for a refreshing twist. So whether you're looking to manage hypertension or simply enjoy a delicious and refreshing beverage, consider adding hibiscus tea to your daily routine. While hibiscus tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, there is something to keep in mind. Hibiscus tea may interact with certain medications including antihypertensive drugs, diuretics, and aspirin. If you're taking medication for hypertension or any other health condition, consult with your healthcare provider before adding hibiscus tea to your diet to avoid potential interactions. With its natural blood pressure lowering effects and numerous health benefits, it's a simple and effective way to support your cardiovascular health. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on natural health tips, and check out my other videos. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.